guys, so I'm back again with Taco Bell again because I don't know, I loved it so much yesterday. I'm like, I want to get it again. And the girl that took my order was literally the same girl from yesterday, and I think she remembered me, and I think she was high-key judging me, and I was like, oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Okay, I literally got the same thing, like original, I know. Sweet tea, quesarito, STEPH PAPAS order, extra sour cream, extra jalapeno sauce, chicken quesadilla, 4 Cinnabon delights, and Diablo sauce on the side. But yeah, the line was so long. The 2 cars ahead of me, that person literally took like 10 minutes. And I don't know why. Oh my god, I love sweet tea. To myself can't be illegal. Illegal, so sell me. Alright, I need like a different thumbnail because I already used, what the heck? Okay. I already used the burrito. So I just get Cinnabon delights. Ooh, watch it squish. Ooh, that looks so good. And these are fresh. Okay, there's this old man that always bikes around my house, like around the neighborhood, like around this like area of town. He does it every day, like even in the winter, like I don't even know. I'll do the quesadilla because I already did the quesadilla. Chicken quesadilla with a jalapeno sauce, chicken and cheese. Oh my god. Don't worry guys, when school's over, I'll eat healthier, but school's still here for another week. So, yeah. Alright, so, need a thumbnail. Should I do one like ripping it apart? They're already like breaking apart, like I can't take a thumbnail. Oh my god, that looks so inappropriate. So good. What do you guys want to talk about? I need like topics, guys. Or about a car's coming and it's gonna okay, high-key judge me, you know? So I have a final 8 in the morning. That's just great. I have a final at 4, and then I can come home and go to dance. And then Thursday I have 2 finals, one at 1 o'clock and then one at 5:30. And then I'm done for the semester. Yes. Oh my god. I need like, alright, I think I'm gonna get a new phone on Wednesday. I don't know. Tell me if I should get the XS or the XS Max. The XS Max may be too big, but honestly, I don't really need a new phone. But this phone really doesn't charge, and I need a phone that charges just in case I get lost and like need a GPS. Quesarito, quesarito, and I got chocolate chip cookies and ice cream again to make that beautiful ice cream sandwich. You all should try that out because it's so good. Love quesadillas. I was supposed to bring my mom a coffee and I forgot. And I was gonna go to Taco Bell, but I was like, no. Oh my god, another car is coming judging me. Where's my Diablo? Oh, here it is. Diablo, what does it say? Regrets? Who cares? Literally, like I'm gonna regret this meal, but who cares? Like, live. Taco Bell is so good, not to hurt. And you can like make it healthy. You can just like get beans and like lettuce and like no cheese. Remember when I was vegan? I used to go to Taco Bell all the time. Put a bunch of hot sauce on it. It was still good, but this like was better. You know they sell like jars of Taco Bell hot sauce at like the grocery store. And the seasoning. How weird is that? So, we saw King Kong, me and Alicia, like the Broadway show. It was really good. Like, I actually liked it. I want to see Mean Girls, like, so badly. Oh my god, these people are walking their dog and they're like... How did I not see them before? Like, there's like 4 people with the dog right there. I didn't see them. I'm so, oh my god. Whenever I eat spicy food, it makes me like sweat. Beautiful. Remember when I got Subway? Oh, I want Subway. Maybe I'll get halal tomorrow. I wish I knew how to cook, guys. I really do, but your girl can't cook, so. I'm sorry, it's always nighttime when I do these because I work during the day, I go to school during the day. And I only, oh my god, they're coming this way. I'm gonna come nice hello. And I feel like they're watching me, but they're like, why is this girl just eating in a car at the corner of 2 streets when there's no house here? You want to see what just happened? Okay. Yeah, I definitely need a new phone, guys, because I got sour cream all over it. And all over my pants. I need to wash what I'm wearing because it's so dirty. Oh my god, it's in my hair. Oh my god. Look at this. What is this? That's all in my hair. I'm gonna die. Thank god I'm washing my hair tomorrow. Oh my god, I need napkins. What the heck? Okay, I'm like, dude, you need no napkins. We got a car's coming. Don't kill me. Whatever. I'm gonna watch for you in the morning. It's fine. Alright, I'm like full. Try another quesadilla. Oh my god. I don't know why I never go to Taco Bell. Like, I used to never go to Taco Bell. Now I have my list. I used to think they only had like one thing on the menu, like a taco, like a beef taco. That's all I thought they had. So I would never go. But they have so much stuff. It's too short. Eat Taco Bell. It's STEPH PAPAS. She rips off like the extra tortilla. I love the tortilla. I'll eat all of it. Did you know STEPH PAPAS used to be a dancer? I didn't know why she didn't talk about that. Like, I found old videos of her and she could do like aerials, which are no-handy cartwheels. And she's so flexible. Like, she has her needle, like, I don't know if she has it anymore, but like, if she was a cheerleader and a dancer, and like, she never mentions that at all. Like, I had to dig deep and find that. And I was like, oh my god, I'm a dancer. I would love for her to do some dance videos or like post her old videos. Like, I want to see what she looks like. I wonder where she danced. It's not Candy Apples. I'm pretty sure it's probably somewhere else in Ohio. But girl, stop, hit me up. We can collab and do some dance videos or some MUKBANGs or anything you want. I'll come to you. I'm from Long Island, New York. It's like really far from you. It's okay. Did you hear someone just honk? What's today? I know it's supposedly every day of eating, but I can just say it's Vlogmas and it's valid, you know? Oh my god, I love sweet tea. Better than soda. Alright guys, I'm so full and stuffed. I'm gonna cry for that photo in the morning, but it's okay, your girl will be just fine. So that was my video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh my god.